Ontario, Canada, December 29, 2025. A relentless blizzard has slammed Ontario, ending the year with a storm of historic proportions. Midwestern and northern Ontario are facing monster snow squalls, hurricane force winds, and near-zero visibility that have brought the region to a standstill. The heaviest snow is falling off Lake Huron and Georgian Bay, stretching from Amberley through northern Huron County into Stratford and Woodstock, while even parts of Norfolk County are feeling the edge of the storm. Meanwhile, the Georgian Bay squall is hammering Wasaga Beach, Barrie, Bradford, and Newmarket. Northern Ontario is buried under up to 60 centimeters of snow with winds gusting to 80 kilometers per hour. The city of Timmins declared a significant weather event early Monday, closing public facilities, suspending transit, and halting garbage collection. Ontario Provincial Police have warned drivers to stay off closed highways as the storm creates hazardous conditions across the region. Visibility has been reduced to near zero in many areas, and the rapid accumulation of snow has made travel extremely dangerous. Main roads and expressways are overwhelmed. While side streets and gravel roads have turned into skating rinks following flash freezes overnight. Traffic is slowed to a crawl, and in some areas, roads are completely impassable. Emergency responders are struggling to reach stranded motorists, and collisions are mounting as vehicles skid out of control on icy surfaces. Rear-end crashes, side collisions, and vehicles spun into ditches are being reported across multiple counties.
Snowy travel to the east.
As the storm continues, the impact on public safety and infrastructure is severe. Hydro outages are widespread, and municipal services are under strain. Flights at Toronto Pearson, Montreal Trudeau, and other airports have been delayed or cancelled, affecting thousands of travelers. Via Rail has cancelled morning trains and delayed afternoon services along the Quebec City, Windsor corridor due to icy tracks. Roads and sidewalks are coated in thick ice, with emergency services in Montreal reporting over 100 calls per hour, mostly due to slips and falls. The storm is far from over. Environment and Climate Change Canada has issued warnings of extreme winds. Blizzard conditions, and additional snow squalls expected to continue into Tuesday and Wednesday. Drivers are urged to stay off the roads unless travel is absolutely necessary. Motorists who become stranded may face prolonged waits for emergency assistance as icy, snow-packed roads delay response times. Temperatures are expected to drop sharply overnight, turning streets and sidewalks into deadly sheets of ice. In the Maritimes, northern Nova Scotia faces winds up to 140 kilometers per hour, while freezing rain warnings threaten flooding in some areas. Meanwhile, the heavy snowfall across Ontario has paralyzed public transportation, slowed buses, disrupted commuter rails, and left residents scrambling to adjust to rapidly deteriorating conditions. This blizzard is not just a storm. It is a relentless force of nature. Roads are frozen and dangerous. Travel is nearly impossible, and the combination of snow, ice, and high winds is pushing communities to the limit. Emergency crews continue to battle the elements, clearing major arteries, monitoring highways, and assisting stranded drivers. But the storm shows no signs of mercy. Authorities continue to issue repeated warnings. Stay indoors, avoid unnecessary travel, and exercise extreme caution if venturing outside. The province faces an ongoing battle with extreme winter conditions, testing both public infrastructure and human endurance. Ontario's highways, cities, and rural communities remain under siege from a storm that is as powerful as it is relentless, leaving residents to navigate the harsh reality of one of the most intense blizzards in recent history. This is Ontario under the grip of winter, a province frozen in snow, battered by winds, and challenged by nature's full fury. Every road is a hazard. Every journey carries risk. And until the blizzard passes, caution and vigilance remain the only path to safety.